There, however, is no indication that he had a stroke. So I cannot go forward with the trial today because Ms. Payne is not represented. But what I will tell you, Ms. Payne, is you need to seriously seek new counsel. I am going to find that Mr. Tucker is in contempt of court. He failed to follow the rules of court in notifying the court. I am going to also file a grievance with the State Bar of Georgia because of his behavior. This is not the first time I've had an issue with him failing to come and come on time. He's doing you a disservice because you've been here. And you have a right to have counsel who's going to be diligently representing you and advocating on you zealously, and he has not been doing that. So I would advise you to find new counsel. I will take care of everything else on my end. There's not going to be a trial today in the matter of State of Georgia versus Hannah Payne. Those of you who are here for that trial are free to go. There will be another trial, however, and if you have my ready list, you know you need to be ready. So we're calling lawyers who should. I see Mr. Jones in the audience. Like, you're not ready to go for it, right? You have an issue, medical issue. So your staff has been advised. So there's some trials that will go on. If y'all have the ready list, we're calling. I think Kylie Barnes is probably next. Ready list.
This is back for
Payne.
Do we have any follow along to see how he's doing? Maybe see if Judge Scott will let you have her trial weeks for the 5th and the 12th.
I don't know what to do at this point because you all know here in this circuit we have very definite days that we're having trial. I already have a trial specially set in December. I have trial specially set up until April, is that right? 2023. So I have a lot of speedy trial demands that have been filed. We've specially set up to April. I think I have some room in January. And that's 2 weeks. So it's it's a 2019 case. I want to try. I don't want to go into 2023. And this is not the only 2019 case I have. And per what you guys have told us, each judge has about, 34 murder trials? So we have a lot of work to do here. I want everybody to be on notice, sufficiently on notice when we're going to do this. It will not be in December because I have another 2019 specially set murder trial.
I just wanted to give the family and the witnesses some clarity to the extent.
I know, and I want everyone, for each side, I want the family to know, I want the defendant to know when this trial can possibly go, but it's not going to go too long. So I may have to go back and talk to some of the other attorneys about the dates that I've already specially set that are more recent than the 2019 case that I have here to see what I can do. But certainly, Ms. Payne should make sure she has counsel who's going to be here. Now, I'm not saying I'm not really making any disparagements on Mr. Tucker, but he knows what he should have done so that we could have all been aware prior to today, because you knew Saturday. Yes.
May I approach for a second? Counselor Tucker is
who are the attorneys who are here that are on the ready list next? Is it your case, Ms. Woods? Where's, that's Mr. Florio's case. Is he here? I gotta have you approach with him. So let me do this. I know there was high interest in this case. We have media here. They need to take their equipment down. But look, I gotta have a trial this week. So somebody's gonna have a trial. So we're gonna figure it out. But if you can get Mr. Florio on the phone, Mr. Williams, I will have a conference with y'all. But they're next. All right, this concludes State of Georgia versus Hannah Payne.